The third principle of success, as outlined by Napoleon Hill, is the autosuggestions and affirmations. This is essentially repeating to yourself that you'll succeed. As you might picture it and imagine, for some people, this can feel a little bit strange and hokey, like repeating to myself, am I really talking to myself? Now, affirmations is certainly not for everyone. It can feel weird. So what we're going to talk about also is how to join communities of like-minded people so that you can get this reinforcement, not just from within yourself, but from others too. The different approaches will work for different people. So in this video, this is just the introduction to the principle. And it's a pretty basic principle, just repeating to yourself that you'll succeed, which is going to instill that belief in you that you will succeed. And in the next video, we'll talk about some techniques for how to do this by joining communities and by doing the affirmations also.